Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a mobile app onboarding screen using custom shapes in Photoshop. I start by opening Photoshop and choosing a mobile-sized canvas. Then I draw a rounded rectangle custom shape as the phone screen base. Now I place circular shapes to represent onboarding illustrations. After that I add small dot shapes at the bottom for progress indicators. Next, I use rectangle shapes to design next and skip buttons. Now I align text and shapes vertically for smooth flow. Then I apply soft gradients to background shapes. After that, I add gentle shadows for depth. Now the screen feels friendly and clean. Then I zoom out to check mobile readability. After that, I adjust spacing between sections.